Hey there guys, Chet here. Now when it comes to business software, a lot of people think that bigger is always better. They see a massive platform with 1,000 features and think that must be the best choice. But what if a smarter, more focused tool could actually make you more money? That is the exact question that we're asking today when we compare the enterprise giant ServiceTitan with the smart sales platform QuoteIQ. And by the way, at the end of this video, if you decide to go with QuoteIQ, make sure to use that link that we put in the description because we've partnered with them to give you something very special. A free one-time white glove onboarding session plus full contact importing to help you get up and running fast. Now this bonus is only available through that link, so don't miss it. Now let's get back to the video. Let's start off with the core philosophy of each platform. ServiceTitan is built for a very specific customer, a huge established service business with many employees, a fleet of trucks, and a full office staff. Its features are all about deep operational control, complex financial reporting, and managing a large-scale workforce. It is an incredibly powerful but also incredibly complex system designed to manage every small detail of a giant corporation. Now, QuoteIQ's philosophy is different and, in my opinion, much smarter for most businesses. It believes that growth does not come from having more reports, it comes from winning more jobs. Every feature in QuoteIQ is designed with this one single goal in mind. It focuses on making your sales process better, your quotes more impressive, and your follow-ups more effective. Instead of trying to be a heavy tool for managing a giant company, it focuses on being the best tool for making your business more money. This brings us to the topic of ease of use. Now, because ServiceTitan is so massive and does so many things, it has a very steep learning process. It really can take months of training and a dedicated implementation team to get it set up and running correctly for your business. The interface is dense and built for a power user sitting in an office, not necessarily for a busy owner or a technician out in the field who needs to get information quickly. Now, QuoteIQ is designed to be powerful yet simple. Its interface is modern, clean, and intuitive. You can get started and create a professional, high-converting quote in just a few minutes, not a few months. This ease of use is critical for real business. It means that you can spend your time winning jobs and serving your customers and not sitting in endless training sessions trying to learn complicated software. Who wants to worry with that? The speed at which you can get real value from QuoteIQ is a huge advantage. Now finally, let's talk about price. We have to talk about price. ServiceTitan does not list its prices publicly on its website. You have to go through a long sales process and get a custom quote. It is well known in the industry to be one of the most expensive platforms on the market, with costs often reaching many hundreds or even thousands of dollars each month. It is a true enterprise level financial investment. Now, QuoteIQ, on the other hand, is completely different. Its pricing is clear, transparent, and much more accessible for small and growing businesses. You can see their plans right there on their website. The beginner plan is perfect for a solo operator and costs $29.99 per month. Their most popular plan, the Pro plan, which is great for small teams of up to 5 users, is $79.99 a month. And their most advanced Elite plan for up to 10 users is only $149.99 each month. Their approach is much better because you know exactly what you're paying for. The cost is a tiny fraction of a tool like ServiceTitan, and you get access to powerful sales without needing a huge budget. So, which one should you choose? If you are a massive 100+ employee corporation with a full accounting department and a team dedicated to managing your software, then ServiceTitan is a platform built just for you. But for every other service business owner who is focused on what really matters, which is winning more jobs and making more money, I believe that QuoteIQ is the far superior choice. It gives you the powerful sales tools that you need to grow without the cost and complexity that you don't need. And if you're ready to focus on winning more jobs, don't forget to use that link in the description to get that free white glove onboarding session with QuoteIQ. All right, that's it for this comparison. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.